Hi everyone, this is Emre from Bamby Stone. We will be exploring today how we connect our LED panels and what materials we need with our LED panels. Simply, these are power supplies. We do only sell one type of power supply, which is 750 volt, which is fanless and most suitable power supply for this configuration. We also have here 750 volt controllers, which comes with the remote controller. One of the most common questions, how do you pair your device with your remote control? We will be covering that as well. Also, we have a small version of our panel which we will be explaining how you connect them to each other and how it works. So when you purchase the panels from us, if you buy more than one, it comes with the connectors like this. You have to connect them next to each other individually, side by side like this, and you need to connect them from each channel. We also have a spacers here. This spacer is specifically designed for this job, where stones directly sits on them and they carry up to 2-ton weight. And when they come, you need to just place them into the sections where there are circles. You will be seeing the circles in bigger panels. These longer cables are provided for you to be able to connect them to your controllers. As you can see, yellow carries the power. And you can also see how the color combinations are sitting in there. And this directly comes from the power supply, and power supply of course connected to the main power. Now in here I will be showing you how we will be pairing them. When you turn your power controller powered up, you have to make sure you do have batteries in your controller, and then you have to make sure it's also turned on. Now if you come to your controller, I'll close this part here, and if you press in here 2 times and then press here 3 times on RGB button, it will be paired. Now if I will press on, it will be turned on. Right now, if you will be turning the color, it will be changing the color. Now we can just dim these colors and then we can play around it. So what I'll do is, actually they're all on the remote control as well. You can see how can you change the colors and how can you play with them. All our remote controls comes with their boxes and the guidance, as well as this ones here. This one comes here to connect it on the wall or any way you like. So pretty much this is how the combination comes, up to 12 panels. And if you are passing 12 panels, then amplifier also comes into this combination and configuration, which covered in a totally different video. But after 12 panels, in some cases up to 15 panels, this is the combination is required for your backlit installation. Thanks for watching.